I just started to edit the video and I realized my intro to the video somehow got deleted. And that's a bummer because it was quite cute. But anyway, sit back, relax, grab a drink, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. The reason why only Gus came with us to look at Christmas lights is because unfortunately Georgia gets car sick, and every single time she's in the car she throws up multiple times. So we just figured it was better for her just to stay home. So enjoy looking at the lights with us. Gussie, look at this beautiful home.
Very beautiful.
I love how they have all of the wooden things right here. It's just really cool and unique.
Yeah, bicycles.
Gussie's loving sniffing the air. He's happy.
Yeah, he's really loving sniffing that air.
Over the hills and through the woods.
Grandmother's house we go.
The horse knows the way to carry the sleigh. Gussie! He doesn't even want to pay no attention to me right now. He's just having a good old time.
The green.
Do you see what they did? They made it look like the Grinch was taking off all their lights.
All the lights, yeah.
Yeah. That's cool.
That is cool.
I saw that on Facebook, like someone else did that somewhere else. I think that's a really neat idea.
That is an awesome idea.
I mean, it's an easy way to decorate your house.
That's a cool way to decorate right there.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, we got Snoopy right here, little Gussie Snoop. Look at him. Do you
Aloha.
see? Yeah. He's so cute.
Aloha Santa.
Oh, that's Santa. Hula hoo.
Yeah.
Hula hoo. Jeff, show us your Santa moves.
Okay. My Santa moves right here.
Look at that, Gus. It's little Snoop.
Snoop Dogg.
Mr. and Mrs. Claus. Cute.
And it says stop.
Very cute. Free Frosty, free Frosty.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh.
Christmas with the cream.
Yeah. Aww. And there's a little baby Frosty too. This house is cute. I like it just like very...
A reindeer.
Well, I just like the colors too. It's like silver and gold.
Silver and gold.
Yeah. It's really pretty.
Silver and gold.
Castle is so beautiful. I don't even think the camera's picking up how glittery it is. Oh, there it goes. I think it's picking it up a little bit. That's pretty.
That is pretty.
I like that. It's a little winter wonderland castle. Look at all their Snoopies, babe.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, cool. And they really did their house. They did the
it
trees, the bushes, the whole house. Oh, look, they have the little Griswold.
Yeah, that's cool.
I love that one.
Big old Frosty.
Yeah, that's a big old Frosty. I love it. Taller than the cars. With some cute little penguins on it. This house right here is really cool because they made the whole house looks like a giant Santa. Oh, Gus is getting up to look better, huh? You like that one, Bubba? The first Noel. That's so cute. It's got the little elves climbing up and down.
That is a cool one.
I like this house. Look at that. Blinking lights, them blinking lights.
With the nose shining red.
He's all up and at him thinking like, do you think there's a bunch of doggies?
You get a better picture of it.
Do you think there's a bunch of doggies, Gussie?
The Seahawk snowman.
Yes. And the little, oh my gosh, there's a pig. Do you see the pig?
Oh yeah.
The Santa pig. Oh, that's cute, little Santa piggy. That's a little Gussie bear, huh? That's a little Gussie bear right there. Aw.
That's awesome.
I love it. So we did just try to go to that house that like synchronizes their house lights and all these extra lights with music, but there's literally a line down the block for people to go in front of that house. So we might try to come back tomorrow or maybe the next day and maybe won't be as busy. Mine was crazy. Now this is an ultimate Seahawks fan right here. Look at this. They got the little Seahawks on the door. You see them?
That's awesome, yeah.
They got the helmets. They got their Seahawks snowman. I mean, they are just Seahawksed out. Oh, they even have Blitz up there, huh?
Yeah.
Yep, up there by the door. That's the mascot for the Seahawks. That's funny. They really went out. See, there's the line to get into the house. The house is literally a block up. and this is the line to get into it. Honestly, it's amazing, and the fact that it's free. They do ask for donations, and we usually like to donate either food or money because that's what they ask for, and they don't keep any of it for themselves. They donate it to local food banks, which is really cool. We'll try to come back though because we always love going and looking at it. I know Jeff is exhausted from all the fun stuff we did this weekend, right, baby?
Oh, yeah.
So he's wearing his same hat from yesterday. We're probably just gonna go and grab some dinner and then go home. So I'll check back in with you when we're doing something else. So it's quite a bit later and I'm like already so hot. But I did so much laundry and I just right now, I'm getting through it all. There's a pile of donation. The stuff that is on my coffee table is stuff that I'm gonna put up on Poshmark. Then this is stuff that's Jeff that has to be hung, my stuff that has to be hung, and then I have some folded stuff over there. I'm basically just going through all of this so we can finally get organized. I definitely wanted to take some stuff and donate, sell, and just, you know, figure out what it is that we do and don't want still. Georgia, get down. No, no. I just did all this laundry. No, no. I just let them out because they've been in the bedroom with Jeff sleeping. And I just let them out because they were wanting to come see me. But I also, as you see, don't want them getting dog hair all over the clothes. Almost done, babies. Then you can come cuddle with me. Because the dog hair sticks like absolute glue. I don't care if I get dog hair on my clothes. The stuff that I'm going to sell, I definitely don't want, yeah, dog hair. No matter how, same with this jacket. I just like don't really wear it, and I think there's definitely people that could use it more. This stack of Jeff's clothes is getting pretty big. He used to never have that many clothes. Like when I first met him, I think I talked about this before, but when I first met him, he had like no clothes, and now he's got a huge wardrobe. I also got some new pillows because the ones I had just were all pilly, and I've had them for years. I just wanted some new ones just to look nicer. I got a new throw blanket too. Donating all the older pillows and blankets that, you know, are still fine, but I just wanted something new. It's these pants. I got these pants on Eloise, but they just didn't look quite right on me. Someone who's more hippie, like those are going for sale on Poshmark. I still have the tag. Oh yes, this sweater's amazing. Jeffy Bear shirt. Oh yes, I need to wear this too. This Hot Topic corduroy dress that I got. Definitely need to wear that. Oh yeah, we're gonna donate those of Jeff's pants. I'm gonna donate these ones as well. These ones are great. I don't want 1,000 pillows like I currently have. This pillow set was a good deal I got from Burlington. You got 2 of them for 20 bucks, and they're big and they're cute. I like the silver. This one down first and do like a little zhuzh. So I want like a pop of pink over here, I think, you know? I think that'll look nice. And then, okay. So that is good. And then I have these little throw pillows that I want to put in there as well. Okay, cute. Cute! And then I have this cheetah print blanket that I'm going to keep on this side of the couch. You guys, this blanket I got at Home Goods, I didn't realize it was like more of an off-white. And kind of everything is a very bright white. Yeah. I guess what's wrong with, or what if I maybe should keep, get down, oh wait, that's not close, never mind, you're fine. Maybe I should keep this pillow, and instead I'll put these over there, and that way I can still bring in some like golds and tans. Because my stuff, as you can see, there's silver and there's gold. So it's not like it's just one color or the other. Now let me see. Yeah, that looks nice then. Maybe I should spread this out a little bit more so you see a little more pink. Let me step back. I don't know, you guys. Let me try the other combo. I could do this. As well. Put the pink over more. Just let that kind of drape down. And then like that. But then I also do have this pillow over here. That would look nice. Let me grab it. Have it come all the way down. I think I'm going to do that. And then just zhuzh it up. Now let me step back. I feel like you gotta step back to really get the idea. Okay, yeah. I'm liking that. I think I might adjust the placement of the blankets a little bit, but I think I like that. Looks like somebody will be getting this for Christmas. I just gotta list this pile, donate that pile, and my living room will be back in order. I'm a sweaty mess. Pretend all of those clothes that need to be hung up right there. Looks so much cuter. But call it a night. I'll just hang that stuff up tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed going looking at some Christmas lights with us. We might try to go again tonight, or maybe even Christmas Eve or Christmas. So we shall see. Thank you guys for watching. And remember to just be you. Bye, guys.